Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 31st of May 2018. Just a quick heads up, there won't be a market alert tomorrow. I'm going to have a day off and away from the desk, so just so that you know, but everything back to normal thereafter. So starting off with the pound, we can see prices moving higher off the 132.50 level here, and met with some resistance as it tried to move higher. That's a certain fact. A lot of volume, a lot of selling pressure, bit more buying, bit more profit taking, and then we see some support coming here and the market moves higher. At a sell signal just before the news, the market moved lower, but notice how it just sat here for a couple of hours before then resuming back to the upside there and trading up to the 133 level there, and this becoming a bit of a ceiling for the market, struggling with it, and again just trading sideways. A lot going on with the Italian markets at the moment and the bond yields that we looked at yesterday, so sort of treading water, waiting to see what's going to happen. But the pound moving higher at the moment. That's a bit of a bounce going on here, and in the daily chart you'll see that we've managed to break through the downtrend that we've had for some time here, all the way through April and May, and trading back above the psychological level of 133 there. News today, anything major? Only crude oil inventories. We've got a couple from the Fed out, but all medium impact apart from the crude oil numbers there coming out at the usual time, which is 3:30, isn't it? Let's just double check that. 4 p.m. today. Oh, it was bank holiday, wasn't it? That's why it was Memorial Day, so they are delayed by a day and are later. And in the Dow, the market moving lower initially. Market hits the scalp, and then you can see how the market puts in a 76% retracement. Bit of a battle going on in this area before driving higher and then making its way all the way up to the R1 there, and also the psychological level of 24,700. So the Dow higher once it had broken above the averages there as well, and also managed to get back above the 24,500, which is this line here. The market was off to the upside. A bit of a gap down overnight. Don't know why that is, but it did. Probably something to do with the Russians. Everything seems to be to do with the Russians at the moment. And the Dow just sideways to higher on the overnight. Got a bit of buying in for yesterday, but this could be the shorts getting squeezed the day before. As said before, if you're short, you have to buy back, and that could be a result of that. A bit of resistance there at the 20 bar average at the moment, but sideways to higher for the Dow there. In the Bitcoin, sort of sideways still, consolidating. One day it's up, the next day it's down, and you'll see that in more detail here. Yesterday, market up, on Tuesday, Wednesday down, and overnight Thursday, early hours of Thursday, the market up. So a bit of a choppy thing going on there at the moment in Bitcoin, as it more or less just consolidates and trades sideways. There you can see there's a bit of a range going on there now in this market. And that's about it, apart from all of the other news. So say the Italians, just keep an eye on that one. Nothing's going to alter overnight with that one. We've got to get the elections out of the way. Like I said yesterday, they were saying July. We'll wait and see, because say the Italians tend to take the whole of August off. So it will be interesting to see if that happens before the summer holes or not. Right, that'll do it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. Like I say, keep in mind, be missing in action tomorrow. Just going to have one day off. And yeah, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.